Hello, this is Blue Leader, and we're here in Morrow, Georgia, where they have at least 5 destination chargers. Thank you so much for watching. Let me give you my initial impressions and initial thoughts of these destination chargers. First thought, you're on the outskirt parking lot of the mall, of the Southlake Mall. And it's not only for Tesla drivers, it's for anyone, because they've taken off the NACS adapter to the Tesla vehicle. So if you're here with your Tesla and you're going to stay here for a long time, you might want to bring your J1772 adapter, because all vehicles can easily use these Tesla destination chargers. Initial feelings, I don't have any outstanding feelings, but you are on the outskirts of the parking lot and there are a lot of people charging here at all times. Initial concerns, not too concerned. It's bright during the daytime. There are a lot of lights, so I do expect these LED lights to pop and brighten up your evening. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Please continue to show the support by hitting the like and the subscribe. And if you know anyone that wants to hang with us, share this video. Especially share it to non-Tesla drivers in the Morrow area or traveling through. Thank you so much, and hang tight for the guest review.
Well, Southlake Mall is just like a 3-minute walk from here, so typically while I'm charging, I'll just go to the mall, get some food, look around and shop. There's a Chinese food restaurant that I typically go to. Typically it's not very crowded. There are typically a lot of cars here, but you can normally get a spot to charge anytime you come here.
Now, if there was no charger here, would you still come back to this parking lot?
I wouldn't park here, but I would go to the mall.
I'm gonna play a little numbers game. What are these numbers? 0101.
Probably winning first place at something.
Winning first place. Okay. How about 1225?
Probably Christmas.
That's right. That's Christmas. Now here's a tough one. There's 3 numbers. 87, 89, and 91. What do you think they mean? I'll give you a hint. People put them in cars. 87.
Oh, probably gas.
Gas, right, the octane ratings. Since you got your Nissan Leaf, when was the last time you used gasoline?
2 years ago.
2 years ago, wow. Do you know what the cost of gas is now?
No, I don't pay attention to it.
Now, before you got your Nissan Leaf, how much were you spending on gas?
This is actually my first car that I bought. I was using my mom's car before this, so I never really paid for gas.
You never paid for gas? Wow, you're one of the few in the world that's never had to pay for gas. Well, if you keep using an EV, you'll never ever have to pay for gas in your life. What's the furthest road trip you've taken in your Nissan Leaf?
20 miles. I really just go to work and come home.
That's okay. Thank you so much. We'll see you later, okay?
Okay.
Kadaiza, what makes you laugh?
Probably dog videos on TikTok.